Yo, what's up, guys? This is my setup on BTCUSDT. So this is my outlook on BTCUSDT. So for those who are trading BTCUSDT, I've already analyzed this pair and I'm sharing it out. Like, this is a very nice setup. Like, a street setup that will make you a lot of money if you are ready to risk. Like, you put in what you have and allow the market to run, because I'm seeing a nice move here on BTC USDT. So first of all, we'll go on the weekly time frame. Okay, let's go on the monthly time frame. Let me show you something, guys. What I'm saying on BTC USDT. So I'll wait for it to load up and so this is it. Uh, on the monthly time frame, we are having a kind of a bearish trend here. Bearish trend at the double top. So a bearish trend at the double top, and also we are seeing some kind of resistance in this area, some kind of resistance here. Let me mark it out so you can see. So this area, this is the neckline of the double top. But though that is not where we are focusing on now. Like, what we need is to know the current trend. Like, we want to trade um the current price. So as a price action trader, what we need to do is to check this candlestick. Although, so what am I seeing here on this candlestick? I'm seeing a something like a depletion here, yes, which is giving us like sorry, guys. So I am seeing a what is happening? Wait, okay, I'm seeing a depletion here, which is giving us like this change of character vibes. So this depletion is like I would say it's like a reversal candle. It means like the buyers and sellers are equal. So the buyers and sellers are equal in this zone. So we don't know this month. We are in the month of February, so we'll wait for this month to close our share to know like the candle is still open. So that is it. And for me, this deflation is like a change of character. Like if you scale down to a lower time frame, you're gonna see a double top or a triple bottom, anything. So this is happening in the on the minor support area. This minor resistance, sorry, this minor resistance area, which is giving us another double top vibes. So the first test, like, let me show you guys. Uh, so you can, as you can see, the market sorry. So as you can see, the market was going down and it created a low. I'm sorry, guys. I'm coming. Let me look for a nice right up. So the market was going down and it created a low, like higher, and then it came back, go back again and create another high, which is a double top. Then it come back and then give us another low, which is the equal low. Come back again to create another high that didn't break this previous high, and then it now still break this previous low, which was the beginning of the bearish trend, and then it's come back again and retest uh, the low, this essential low, yeah, that this week, yeah. It came back and retest it, and then which is like the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, and higher low. So now the higher low is going back to retest the previous higher high, which is giving us like a double top. This top, yeah, this top, yeah, one, and this top, yeah, two. So like this. So this is a minor support area. As you can see, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, with this higher high, yeah. So and higher low, and it came back to retest the higher high to give us a double top, like the way we saw this double top, yeah, one, two, and then it moved down. That's how we are seeing another one, two, and then it will still move down. No matter we have a trend line break here, like if you scale down to a lower time frame, you see it. So this is it, sha. This is it. Like the weekly time frame is showing us something. Look at it. Showing us a higher high, a higher low, higher high, higher low, and oh sorry guys, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and then lower high again, and it came back and gave us another lower low, coming back to retest the lower high, the previous lower high. So if the market is on the lower high, which is in the resistance, we should be expecting a sell in that area, but nobody knows. So if the market breaks this high, which is this resistance now, if the market break this high and retest it, like let me mark it out. If the market break this high and retest it back, sorry, the market break the high and retest it back, like it breaks the resistance, retest it, which is called the flip zone. That is the it has broken the resistance and then retest it, which is resistance turn to support. It will now continue to this neckline of the M pattern, to continue to the neckline of the M pattern. This neckline, yeah, remember this neckline that will mark out, so that is it. But for me, I don't think the market will go back to this neckline, because fundamental analysis, BTC is bearish, like the crypto market is still bearish. No matter we have a trend line break here, no matter we have a trend line, yeah, this trend line break, for me the market is still bearish because it has not broken the highs. So it has not broken the lower high. So when it breaks this lower high, retest it, like I said, retest it, then we'll be expecting a long to this area, yeah. But if it doesn't, like if it respects this zone ahead, we will now look for confirmation or entry confirmation, chart pattern, candlestick, whatever, anything, then we'll shut the market down to this area. So that is it. So don't mind this trend line, that is here. The market is still bearish. I mean this trend line that is here. No matter we have broken the trend line, but we have not broken this resistance, so we are still bearish until it broke this resistance, like it broke like the lower high. Remember the market structure instruction. So the law of market structure, yeah, how the market changed its character and how the market broke its structure. So for those who don't know, uh, don't worry, I'll be teaching you guys on how the market change and how to know when the market is trying to change the trend. But for me, it's still bearish. And also in the weekly time frame, we are seeing something like a bearish engulfing candle. Yeah, we saw a bullish candle pushed into the zone and a weak rejection, and also closed under the zone, like closed below it. It didn't close above, it closed below, is respected the zone and closed inside. And also we saw another uh, bearish and a pin bar, a bearish engulfing can sorry sir, a a pin bar. I think this is a pin bar, yeah, a pin bar or a doji, yeah, which is indicating a bearish signal that we are going to sell, like the market is going to sell. But although the candle is open, it has not closed, so this candle can turn bullish and then break out. So I'm still watching at this, like this area. I'm still looking at it. So if I should enter, I'll enter here and then put my stop loss above this area. Check how much I'm risking. Although you know how it is to trade in the exchange. When you set your stop loss, you will see the amount you lose when the trade hits your stop loss. So I will check how much I'm risking, put my stop loss above it, and then allow the trade to run. If it hits my stop loss, no problem. I will change my bias and long the market to the neckline. Like I said, when it broke this resistance, this resistance, yeah. But for me, I don't think it will break the resistance. We are still bearish, so I'll wait for um a full confirmation. I will not trade now because if I trade, it will be like I'm catching a falling knife. So I don't know. This candle can turn to another thing. So I'll wait for this candle to close like this. Yeah. When it closes like this, and I'll hop in. So let's go to the daily time frame and let's see what we have on the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I am seeing something like an head and shoulder trying to form. Although you see the bullish trend, the counter bullish trend happening in the overall bearish trend. So no matter it has broken the trend line, but we are still bearish. It has not broken the resistance. Remember, change of trend will break trend line and also break support, or break trend line and also break resistance. So it has not broken the resistance, and we are seeing a lower high, lower low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and also another higher high respecting this zone. And as you can see, you will see how the candle is printing, and you see how the 6 candle going up and down, rejecting, dancing, everything, breaking the mini trend line that draw inside. Also, as you can see, it have already broken the trend line, also showing bearish um, momentum, giving us that bearish vibes. So for me, I am still watching, though I just want to wait because I'm seeing that this daily want to form a head and shoulder, like something like this. Let me show you guys something like this. This is the shoulder, the head. It will come down to this area, give us another head shoulder, and then go down. So yeah, I think this is a good time to sell. Yes, sell and put your stop loss above this zone, this area. Set your stop loss above here, above this area. Yeah, wait, let me mark it out so you can see. So I think it's high time we should enter because they set your stop loss above here. This here, above this resistance, put your stop loss here, and then you allow the market to play out. Then you short it down to this area here, this area, 15,000, 15,864. So that's what I think. But remember, you cannot just hold the trade like this. So it can come back to this support and then reverse back and then broke this resistance. So you know how it works. So nobody controls the market, and it's just like where you're riding a car and when you reach a marketplace or in any place, in any kind of obstruction, like maybe the bumps on the street, you need to reduce your speed, your speed and hold your this thing, your brake. Like when you reach this area, when you reach this area, you just reduce your leverage. In case you are trading with the crypto exchange app, so this is BTC, just reduce your leverage. If you are using 100x, reduce it to 10x. So, but if you are trading with your normal forex broker, or maybe you are trading your MT5, just reduce your lot size. If you are trading with one lot size, reduce it to 0.1 once you reach this area, because anything can happen here. It can reverse into and reverse, go back. It can reverse your person and go back. That is not good. Like if you be playing with your money, it can reverse and go back and break the sign and start going up. So once you reach this zone, you reduce it. So if, in case it reverse, you if it is going back, so you will not be losing more than what you got for this move. That is, so that is it. And once you find out that it has broken this area, test it. So broken this trend line, test it, break this zone, retest it, and then you see some confirmation also, increase leverage and add more position. That is it. That's how you ride it the with the turn. But for me, I believe BTC is going back to 15k. So that is it. That is it. It can come back to 15k. It can come back to 15k if care is not taken. Yeah. 15k or 90k. Just 15 or 19k. Or maybe I think 19, because I'm seeing something like a head and shoulder here also. This side, head and shoulder. I'm seeing something like a head and shoulder. Yeah. Head and shoulder. And yeah. So it can come back to this place and then go. Or it can come back. Or so this is it. It can come back to, yeah, go, come back to this support again. This support, yeah. Let me change the color. Let me change the color of this support so you can understand it. This support here, this brown one, it can come there and then go, or it can still break it and go and give us a double top, or maybe respect the head and shoulder. So that is it. That's my analysis on BTC. So I believe you should be shorting Bitcoin now, and then make sure you use low leverage and high margin, because the market can be playing with your money here and then hit stop you out, or maybe liquidate you before it continues down. But I believe it will come down. Just look for a nice setup here. Although I'm still waiting for something. And if you go to the 4 hour time frame, I've not seen a clear chart pattern. So although I'm seeing a triple top here, first touch, second touch, third touch, first touch, second touch, third touch, and also it has broken this trend line. So I will wait for it to retest this trend line, maybe come back to this trend line, or maybe retest this support, break it, retest support, break this trend line, come back to the trend line, and maybe I'm seeing a mini support also here, this area here. Area, which is in between the trend line and the small M pattern showing up here. Then I will buy, I will sell. So this is what I'm having. Overall trend is bearish. The counter trend line, that is the bullish trend inside the overall trend, is on the lower high of the overall trend, which is a reversal point. Like, and then my counter trend line is already broken, and also I'm seeing a triple top, and also on the daily time frame I am seeing a head and shoulder. Like the head is forming, so I'm trying to enter on the head and ride it down to the shoulder and enjoy the move. So I'm seeing all these things, although I've started from the higher time frame and analyze everything. So I hope you understand this video. If you have any question, ask me in the comment section. Also chat me up on WhatsApp. Yes, chat me up on WhatsApp. And also make sure you risk what you can afford to lose. Yeah, I'll be shorting Bitcoin. Yeah, I'll be entering here. Let me take this my position up. This area here. And 24682. 24682. That's how we selling. Oh, let me check the line chart. Let me see how. Let me see anything. Let me check the line charts. Okay, this line chart, as you can see, this high, yeah, this high that I'm at, because you can see a triple top here. So the first top is higher than the second one. If you check it, why the second one, the both are equal, I think somehow equal. So the both are equal, and also it has broken, retested, and also break. Yo, it has break again, trying to retest this support. So for me, I would advise you to sell BTC now. Just sell BTC now, or upload this video on YouTube now. Just sell BTC. That's broken this area that I mark out. Remember that area that I mark out? I've broken it and retested it. That's why it's good to change your chart to a line chart so you can see the clear move. That's broken it and also break another support, retest it. Sell BTC now. Sell BTC now. Sell it. Yeah. Just reach what you can afford to lose and sell Bitcoin. Let me check on the 1 hour time frame. I will change this to the normal candlestick. That is it. I've already retested it. So I'll be selling here. I have missed the entry already. So I'll be selling here, this area. And then I move. That area there. Let me draw my Fibonacci level, my Fibonacci retracement to see. So draw from here to here. So these two zones are possible. So I think it can come back here. It can come back here and also give us another double top vibes. It can still come back to this area that I marked out. It can still come back there. So these two things are involved. So either I sell here, guys, look at how I'm analyzing normally. Like I'm sharing my idea here. I'm just analyzing. So analyzing trades, that it's not like a magic that you come and say this must happen, this must happen. I'm just giving yes or no. Like I'm not a win. I'm just saying this will happen or this will happen. This will happen. So I'm just doing this thing raw and legit. It's not that I've already analyzed it and start sharing my setup here. No. I'm just doing everything live here. So either it comes as it's going then to come back to this area, give us a double top because I've already retested it once. Give us a double top to retest both the trend line, and then it's continue, or it move it is now. Retest only this area, this blue area, and go. But I think it will come back to this area, give us a double top vibes. So I'll put my sell limit at 24682. I'll put my sell order at 24682. That is it, or 24363, and then put my stop loss above this 24682. That is it. So thank you guys for watching. This is my idea on BTC USD. If you love this content, just like the video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, share this video to your friends, and then ask me any questions in the comment section. Thank you very, very much.